Islamabad, the capital of Pakistan, is home to numerous tourist attractions. It has been ranked second in the list of the world's most beautiful capitals, followed by Paris, Washington, Berlin, and Tokyo. It is the 9th largest city in Pakistan. Islamabad is noted for its high standards of living, safety, and abundant greenery. It also acts as a stop for journeys to Murree in northern Pakistan. There are some top tourist attractions in Islamabad that are shown in the video. Top attractions in Islamabad. 1. Faisal Mosque, named after the late Saudi King Faisal. It is a unique mosque that has become an identity of Islamabad. 2. Daiman-e-Kho, a great place to take a break, slow down, and enjoy the fantastic vistas of Islamabad. This is the best place to appreciate the planned city, with the wide boulevard in the middle, and various quarters to the left and right. You can also see Lake Rawal, a man-made lake that is the source of water of the city. 3. Pakistan Monument Museum, covering an area of approximately 3 acres, the petal-shaped blooming flower structure in Shakarparian Hills. The Pakistan Monument is a heritage site in Islamabad. 4. Margalla Hills. The capital city of Pakistan is enveloped by the Margalla Hills to the north and east of Islamabad, which has been declared as a protected national park. There are 6 officially maintained walking trails in the Margallas and 2 scenic sites on top of the hills. The first site is Daiman-e-Kho. The other more elevated site is called Pur Suhawa. 5. Saidpur village. There are nice restaurants to look around and taste the local food. One can spend 1 to 2 hours, maybe more, if you are eating there. There are shops where one can buy local handicrafts as well. 6. Lakeview Park. Lakeview Park has abundant entertainment options suiting different age groups. A clean and mesmerizing lake with a bit view of hills. There is also other options such as camel riding and ATV bikes. There are both boats available. 7. Lok Bursa Museum. It is dedicated to the heritage of Pakistan and covers it vastly. A deep sense of patriotism envelops you as you gaze at the dioramas. 8. Trail 5. These trails provide various viewpoints to view this marvelous city. Trail 5 is the one used by most people due to its uniqueness. Authorities have maintained it quite well. 9. Giga Mall. Giga Mall is undoubtedly the ultimate entertainment and shopping destination located in the heart of Twin Cities. Giga Mall offers 5 levels of shopping, eating, and entertainment along with the most secured ample car parking facility. 10. Trail 3. It's one of the longest hiking trails in Margalla Hills, Islamabad. The track is surrounded by nature all over, with trees and flowers, monkeys and other small animals, nothing dangerous. The environment is soothing and refreshing, with cool fresh air to breathe. There are no proper shops or cafes on the way up, so it's better to have water, juice bottles. The track ended at Monal Restaurant. 11. Rawal Lake. A wonderful park with the lake as well as an aviary for birds were added to the place. The entrance is free. Bird aviary consists of about 1,000 different species of birds, including species of partridges, parrots, pigeons, doves, pheasants, peacocks, swan, cranes, ducks, geese, etc. There are places for barbecue and a few activities like paintball, go-karting and rides, etc. 12. Shah Allah-Dida Caves. This place consists of 2 ancient caves and a spring that contain traces of humanity from ancient times. This is a nice place to visit if you have an interest in history. 13. Fatima Jinnah Park. This park occupies the whole sector F9 of Islamabad. On the western side of the park, there is a sports complex, swimming pool, and arcade games. Towards the northern side along Margala Road, there is a children park. 14. Pakistan Railways Heritage Museum on a small railway station in Islamabad. This classic museum highlights the history of Pakistan Railways. 15. Simli Dam. This dam was constructed to meet drinking water requirements for citizens of Islamabad specifically, but it became visiting place for the people of Pakistan who visit Murree and Islamabad. Motorboating is a special event for visitors who comes over here. 16. Bari Imam Shrine. Located just below the northern foothills of Islamabad, Bari Imam Tomb is a famous tourist attraction. It is the shrine of the 17th century Saint Shah Abdul Latif. Initially built by Emperor Aurangzeb. 17. Islamabad Zoo. Situated in heart of Islamabad at the base of Margala Hills. I don't think any other zoo contains that much natural and scenic beauty. 18. Pakistan Museum of Natural History. Pakistan Museum of Natural History is located at Garden Avenue, Shikarparian, short of Lok Versa on the left side of the road once you are moving to Lok Versa or National Monument. 19. Shikarparian Hills. Shikarparian hillocks have a beautiful view of Islamabad city. Especially the night view is very charming. This is the oldest viewpoint of Islamabad, where most of the head of the states have been visiting and have planted various trees. 20. Trail 6. Trail 6 starts just behind Faisal Mosque in Islamabad. It moves through a thick jungle between the two mountain features behind Faisal Mosque and slowly climbs up, reaching the top of the mountain behind Faisal Mosque at Jabi Gali. If you are physically not very fit, please do not go on this trail as the climb at places is quite steep, and you will be quite far away from a road. 21. Shadara Valley. This place can only be described as stunning. The river running down from the mountains above to the traditional wooden beds and chairs scattered along where you are served hot tea and samosas. 22. Rose and Jasmine Garden. Rose and Jasmine Garden is a history. Since Islamabad's inception, this garden was created simultaneously. Very well located near Abpara Market. 23. Baria Enclave Zoo. It isn't a large-size zoo, nor does it have a huge collection of animals. However, it is neatly built and the collection of animals, though small, is quite impressive. All cages are large and depict a natural setting to an extent. Information given about the animals is also quite comprehensive. 24. Fatima Church. Located at F8 Quarters, Islamabad, Fatima Church is shaped like a miniature model of Sydney Opera House. The place of worship for Catholic Christians has serene surroundings and an open front. 25. Pak China Friendship Center. Located close to Rose and Jasmine Gardens, in the lap of Shikarparian Hills and spread over 10 acres. The Pak China Center is meant to promote the culture and arts of the two friends. 26. Pakistan National Council of the Arts. Pakistan National Conical Art is an awesome place to visit. Here are a lot of enjoyment areas. 27. Gallery 6. Amazing place for artists, and I would recommend art lovers to visit this place. I can see this place as full of colorful talents in form of beautiful paintings. Best luxury hotels in Islamabad. Islamabad Serena Hotel Islamabad, Marriott Hotel, the Centaurus Hotel, Apartments Hotel 1 Jinnah, Islamabad, Islamabad Regalia, Hotel S Chalet, Islamabad Parks of Islamabad, Ayub National Park, Ankara Park, Fatima Jinnah Park, Japanese Park, Lakeview Park, Playland, Rose and Jasmine Garden. Museums and art galleries. Lok Versa Museum, Gulra Sharif Railway Museum, National Art Gallery, Islamabad, Pakistan. Museum of Natural History. Food streets: Melody Food Street, Apara Food Street, Blue Area Food Street. Non-street in PWD. Islamabad. Best restaurants in Islamabad. Monal, Islamabad. Kabul Restaurant. Savor Foods. Tandoori Restaurant. Khiva Restaurant. Cafes in Islamabad. Chaya Khana. Burning Brownie. Makkah. Coffee Street 1 Cafe Barbera Malls: Centaurus Mall, Safa Gold Mall, Giga Mall, Emporium Mall. Islamabad. Main markets: every populated sector in Islamabad has a main market bazaar referred to as a markaz. Apara Market, G6, Al-Awali Market, F-8/1. Ayub Market, F8 Markaz, Cafe Iram Market, G-6 halves, Jinnah Supermarket, F7 Markaz, Friday and Sunday Bazaar, near Peshawar More Interchange and G6, Karachi Company, G9 Markaz, Mediterranean Food Court. Diplomatic Enclave, G5 Markaz, Supermarket, F6 Markaz. Mosques and Shrines, Baba Badshah Bani Gala, Bari Imam, Shah Faisal Mosque, Golra Sharif. Sporting facilities: Jinnah Sports Stadium, Liaquat Gymnasium.